The question is, draw a perpendicular on the point O situated on a line segment AB. So AB is a line segment, any length we can take. And O is a point on this line segment. So we have to draw a perpendicular on this point. For that we have to put the compass on O and cut AB on both sides of O with any radius. Now put the compass in those cutting points on AB and take the radius that is, it may be more than the half of this length, and draw two arcs on upper side of AB. These two arcs will intersect at any point. So the cutting point is here. अब इसको हम लोग ज्वाइन करेंगे. So OP is now perpendicular on AB. Let us check it if it is a 90 degree or not. Yes, perfect. Both sides of OP is 90. So we can say that OP is perpendicular on AB. The question is, draw a perpendicular on a line segment AB from a point O outside the line. Let us take a line AB and let P is a point outside the line AB. So from P we have to draw the perpendicular. For that, take a compass and place it on P. Take any radius and draw semicircle on the line AB. The semicircle will cut AB at 2 points. Now put the compass on these 2 points. Take more than the half of the radius of this distance and draw two arcs on the opposite side of P. मतलब AB का जिस साइड में P है, जस्ट उसका अपोजिट साइड में हम लोग को आर्क बनाना है. एक बार इस पॉइंट से, एक बार इस पॉइंट से, सेम रेडियस लेके. And these two arcs will intersect that point and we have to join this point with P. Let the line joining these 2 points cut AB at O. Then we can say OP is perpendicular on AB. Now let us check if the angles on both the sides 90 है कि नहीं. Yes, 90 degree, 90 degree. So this is a perpendicular. You can take P on this side also. So now we can say that OP is perpendicular on AB